Season 3, 9, episode 9. Mega sneeze from 9. Hello, 9. What are you looking for? I just don't know what to do. Okay. False alarm. Need any help? Liz is here. Octoblock is here. I do need help. Whenever I try to sneeze, it just falls back in. So, you're saying that every time you sneeze, it just falls back in? Yes. Never fear, Octoblock is here. I'm double 4, also known as 4 4s. 16 squares. Wait, guys. I don't know how that's even possible, but I lost an 8. Oh, there he is. Okay, I'll just make a new one, guys. 1 second. This is a bit lazy. There, one's back in it. Bye-bye. Wrong spot 16. Why is 10 over here? 10 again. Why is 18's body? Why did guys 18 died? Catch me. False alarm. Whee! 8 plus 1 equals 9. Oh no, not again, not again, not again. Guys, I just have to put back my NUMBERBLOCKS because you know what time it is. It's the end of episode. Now I'm just going to quickly form back 8 into his form that he's always in. Oh, down here. Keep it like that. Sorry guys. Sorry. Well, I'm being. Bye-bye.